peacock from his lofty perch on high, as he hunts with a zeal for his favorite meal, which isn't humble pie. Though his favorite fare is mince Sinclair, served with peacock's tongue. He likes raw steak mixed with yellow cake, but he never eats his young. Peacock bird, he looks superb, stately and dignified, but it's all just show, cause like AZO, nothing much happens inside. His usual habitat is far to right, come off the tribe called Artie Farties. He's a flashy pet of the swinging set, much in demand at parties. If you venture north, you might not find much culture, but you'll find the nest of that well-known pest, the brass-necked Queensland vulture. This vulture has a parrot for a wife, they're like Peter Pan and Wendy, two ageless paragons who eat pumpkin scones and occasional liberal trendy. There's an island state across Brass Strait where the weather's often murky, and in that land of rivers and dams there's a small Tasmanian turkey. This stubborn coots like King Canute, against the tide he's always kicking, though he goes gobble gobble, he thinks he's an eagle when everybody knows he's a chicken.